First you're gonna need a pan. Simple. Then we're gonna put on my thing, it has up to 9, so but I do it on 7. Power level 7. You feel me? So we start preheating it. Now you're gonna get 3 eggs. Boom. You see from here what I'm doing? It's hard to see from my screen because it's pretty small. Boom. Easy. Then we do a little spin. I don't know if you can see from here, but now, proper master omelette makers say you should put the spices when the omelette is in the pan, but I'm gonna do it in the mix because that's how I like to do it. I'm gonna add some salt, just a bit, some pepper, and we're gonna add a little bit of butter, like a small amount, man, because we're on a diet, like super small. It tastes a lot better with more butter, but we're gonna add small amount. This is it, it's almost like a teaspoon. Now, in the meantime, while I'm waiting for the butter to chill a bit, we're gonna open the side. The side dish we're gonna do is just gonna be peas. Nahut chickpeas. Just toss it in the thing and drain it, man. Rinse it a bit. Now pay attention. This is the important part. You're gonna toss this and instantly you're gonna start shaking and spinning. It's like you're making scrambled eggs. Keep it like close to the heat a bit, and when it starts getting a bit tight, you're gonna pull it out again. kinda starchy. The reason why you wanna do that is the omelette cooks a bit better everywhere. Until you feel it starts to thicken to a place where you don't feel like you can shake it anymore. And it's gonna start sticking. This is the moment. Now you let it finish. Now you don't want to leave the omelette to cook for too much, because this is gonna be a light omelette. You want it to be a little bit soft in the center before you pull it. So you kind of have to wait to see when the thing starts to wanna come out, you know. It's not yet. But soon. This is it. Now look, pay attention. Light French omelette, boys. Voila. The inside is gonna cook itself a little bit while it sits, and it's gonna become nice and soft without being a roll, you know. Now I'm gonna reduce the heat to 5. I'm gonna throw just a little bit more butter again. Like kind of the same amount, like a teaspoon. You toss the bad boy here. Start throwing spices, salt, pepper, and on this one I'm also gonna add curry. It's like a blend of spices. And it doesn't need to stay for too long, because the chickpeas are already cooked. You just wanna get away with the water that you rinsed it with to evaporate a little bit, and just mix with the spices. And it just stays for like a minute, man. If you really wanna try hard, you can add tomatoes, onions, but I don't have time for try-harding, man. This is a swift, righteous dinner. This is it. Boom.